Hey guys, welcome to my channel NZ Fashion Corner. Today I am going to make vanilla cake at home using basic kitchen tools during this lockdown period. For this, I am taking silver mold instead of cake tin and greasing it with some butter. Now dusting with some all-purpose flour. Now I am preheating a kadai with some sand at the bottom for 15 minutes at medium flame. You can also use salt instead of sand. Now taking 3 eggs and separating egg whites from the egg yolks. Now I am beating the yolks nicely. Adding a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now adding a pinch of salt. Here I am taking a mixer jar and pouring egg whites and blending it in a mixer until it gets foams like this. Now I am adding a cup of sugar little at a time and blending it. Now I am adding an egg yolk mixture and blending it too. Now adding a cup of all-purpose flour and a teaspoon of baking powder to the whole mixture and mixing it gently. Now adding half cup of cooking oil. Adding half cup of milk and mixing well. Now I am pouring cake batter in a mold. Tapping it and setting it in a preheated kadai. Let it cook in a low flame for 45 minutes. In the meanwhile, I am making sugar syrup by adding 1 teacup of sugar and half cup of water. Let it boil for 2 minutes and switch off the flame. Now I am trying to make buttercream in a mixer jar by taking 150 grams of soft butter and blending it. Next, adding 300 grams of powdered sugar. Adding 2 tablespoons of milk, half a teaspoon of vanilla essence, blending all in a mixer. Now coming to our cake is ready now. I'm demolding it into a plate. Now I am cutting the cake into 2 layers. Now I am applying buttercream. Now applying some sugar syrup on the top and some buttercream. As you can see, I didn't get the right consistency of the buttercream. This is too runny now. This is because the heat produced in the mixer jar while grinding melts the butter into liquid. So to set this butter, I am putting this cake and the remaining buttercream in a refrigerator for 15 minutes. Now I am blending the remaining chilled buttercream in an electric blender to get the right consistency. After blending it for a good 10 minutes, now I got the right consistency of the buttercream. Next, I am applying that buttercream on cake like this. I am using clean regular card to spread the butter evenly. Now to make flowers, I am using marigold biscuits. And some sugar to adjust the sweetness, grinding it into a powder. Now I am adding 2 tablespoons of milk mixed with some red food color and mixing well. Further adding 2 tablespoons of butter and mixing it very well to make a smooth dough. Now I am making flat petals like this and putting one above the other and rolling it to make a flower. At first you will get some cracks while rolling, but it's okay. we can adjust it by slightly pressing it. Cut the edges. That's it. Our flowers are ready now. Now I am using same dough to make heart shape and letters like this. Now I am decorating the cake with flowers and letters like this. This cake is very suitable for anniversaries and for Valentine's Day. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching. Bye.